In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change user role in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right access level for your team, all without second guessing the settings. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct Xero organization and that you have permission to manage users. From your Xero dashboard, look to the top corner of the screen and click your name to open the account menu. This is where you'll find organization level options. From that menu, select Settings. If you manage multiple organizations, just confirm you're in the one where you want to adjust a user's role before moving on. Inside Settings, open the Users page. Here, you'll see a list of everyone with access to your organization. Locate the person whose role you want to change and move to the right side of their row. Click the three dots to reveal more options. Then choose Change Permissions. This opens the permissions editor for that specific user. You now have two main areas to work with. If the person needs access to payroll features, choose Payroll Admin. This grants payroll-specific rights so they can manage pay runs, employee details, and payroll settings as appropriate for your region. If payroll access isn't necessary, focus on Business and Accounting. Under Business and Accounting, you'll pick the level that matches the work this user needs to do. Invoice only is ideal for team members who just need to create and send sales invoices without broader access. Standard fits everyday users who work across bills, bank reconciliation, and basic reports, but don't need full control. Advisor is designed for accountants or advanced users who require the highest level of access to financial settings and reporting. Read only is best when someone needs visibility into your data without the ability to change anything. Take a moment to match the role to the principle of least privilege. Only grant what's truly needed for the job. If you're unsure, start with less access and adjust upward later rather than the other way around. Once you're comfortable with your selections, click Update Permissions to save your changes. The update applies right away. It's a good idea to let the user know what's changed so they're aware of any new options they'll see or restrictions they might encounter. That's it. Quick, precise, and secure. With these steps, you can confidently manage who can do what in Xero and keep your organization's data in the right hands.